Hey guys, welcome to another one. It's been a while since we've been out and about making videos, but we decided to try our hand at bike packing, so we're going to take a little bit of a drive, find a nice little campground down by a river, and see how it goes from there. So, with that, let's get going. Well guys, we made it to the camp. Look back here, we got a river. We got our picnic table. We'll just take a 360 of everything here. Over here we got our bikes. It's a nice little campground. We'll give you guys a quick rundown of the bikes after we just before we start setting up. So both bikes are Quiet Cats. This is the one Heather's rocking. We got a little carrier up front for some stuff. She's got 2 saddlebags, the tent, got a tripod and a drone, and then more stuff in saddlebags. And this little guy actually goes pretty quick. Does about 55 to 60 kilometers on a battery if you drive it right. Pretty fun. Here's the bike I'm rolling. This is a Quiet Cat. as well. We got dual saddlebags. We got a battery compartment here, solar, survival stuff, a bunch of gear, beer cooler, super important, fishing kit. I keep my rain gear here and here. We have bear spray, phone, food and things, water bottles, and then the cockpit. So kind of GPS, phone, extra camera, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, it's fun to ride. We'll get back with you guys once we get camp set up. Tent is almost up.
Hey guys, we'll give you a tour of the camp. Here's the bikes. We'll go over where the tent is set up. Had some squirrels running around on the tree highway, on all the branches. Really pretty. There's lots of vegetation. There's rose hips. Here's Phil.
Howdy folks. Yeah, we're getting rigged in. We're probably going to get a thunderstorm tonight, so we've got one extra tarp. We still haven't figured out what to do with it yet, so we're kind of keeping this guy in reserve. We're going to use this as a fire tarp, you know, the kind you can have real close or over a fire on an up angle, but remains to be seen if it's going to get that bad or not, so we'll bring you back in a bit. Well guys, we're basically going to filter some water, and this watershed's got a lot of cows and a lot of animals around it, so we're filtering it, and then we're going to give it a few pills, I guess, and just let it sit for 30 minutes, make sure it's safe to drink. We're probably only going to use this for cooking, not for drinking. So in other words, boil it as well. So like 3 levels of decontamination, I guess. So we're about the liter mark already. Got a good stream. Alright, now for phase 2, we're going to do water treatment. So we're going to come to our handy kit over here. And for what we're doing, we're just going to use aqua tabs. These are kind of the ones you can get around here. Always carry a bunch of those because you never know what kind of water you're going to get. And it's supposed to be a liter per tablet, I believe, is the number. A couple of these little guys. Into there, and that's just one more layer of just in case for us, and we'll give that a quick shake. And now that can sit for 30 minutes. So it's 5 o'clock, 5:30, that'll be ready to boil or drink if you're not super thirsty, but we probably ain't gonna drink it. guys, so one of the things we decided to do in getting into this bike packing is we wanted to be rechargeable on the go sort of thing. So we bought a solar panel unit to go with ours, and it plugs in, and it takes about 7 hours realistically to charge a battery under good sun. And sun today's not great, we got smoke in the air, so what we're going to do is test my bike. I'm at 78%. It's 442. We're going to deploy the solar panel right from this couch over here. We'll bring it down here. And all we do is plug it in over here. Here's the solar panel. Then it just plugs in under here. So we'll let that sit for a bit, and then we'll get back with you in a bit and give you an update on what the battery's looking like. Well guys, we have a bunch of firewood, so we're not going to bother waiting any later to get a fire going. So we got it started here. Really, we got to get it going and nice and hot because we expect thunderstorms anytime in the next couple hours potentially. Although we have no cell service here, so we can't tell what's coming down, just kind of what we saw before we left. So anyway, we'll bring you back in a bit. Guess what guys, solar's out for now because the sun's gone, and we're going to fold all this up. But we did get a few extra percentages while the sun was out, so it does work. Just again, just like anything else, depends on how much sun you got. So you can't rely on it, but it sure helps top you up if you got a good day of sun. Well guys, we survived the thunderstorm. That was a good one. We're waiting for the rain to kind of kick off, or stop raining I guess, and then we're going to basically get the fire stoked up. But just wanted to check in and see what's going down. Well guys, that's it for tonight. We're gonna just kind of hang out by the fire, take it easy, have a bit of rum maybe, and then we'll call it a night. But we'll see you in the morning and we'll go from there. Okay guys, that's it. We got everything packed up. We're heading out, and we'll see you on the next one.